Welcome to Babs Projects. It's a cloudy and rainy day outside today, so I'm going to make one of my favorite recipes. That's the Goan shrimp cutlets. Goan shrimp cutlets are delicious, yummy patties made with shrimp and fresh ingredients that taste simply out of this world. Just thinking about it makes my mouth water. So what are we waiting for? Let's start it. The main ingredient of this recipe is obviously shrimp or prawn, as we call it in India. As you can see, I have cleaned it, deveined it and everything, and also strained out as much water as possible. And so follow me and I'll show you the next step. I have to coarsely chop these shrimps, so I'm going to add them to this mini processor. You can actually chop them with your hand also, like, just take some knife and just cut them. But I like to use this mini processor because it's quick, so I'm just going to use this one. The shrimps are done and I'm going to empty it into a mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add all the other ingredients to this chopped shrimp. So first I'm going to add the onions. Next I'm going to add fresh grated coconut. Some ginger garlic paste. All the ingredients are up on my blog, so I'll post a link and you can check that link in the description. And then I'm going to add some dry shrimp. These are baby shrimps. The shrimp that we get over here, they are farm raised, so they don't have that ocean flavor. So I like to use dry shrimps, and these are optional. You don't have to use it. If you want, you can use it. But I like to use a little bit of them just to give it that shrimpy flavor. Next, I'm going to add green chilies, chopped green chilies. Some turmeric. And finally, salt as per taste. Now I'm going to mix them. So this is a shrimp mixture. It's all mixed well and it looks good. So I'm going to make patties out of this. I'm going to grab a handful. Just make them round first. And then just press it and flatten it. There. That's it. So you can see all the patties are done. I have kept this size about 2.5 to 3 inches. If you want, if I'm making it at home, I make this big of a size. But if I'm keeping it for a party or something, I make it smaller so that I can serve it as an appetizer. I'm going to coat now this cutlets, the patties, with some rava. Rava is semolina, to give it a nice crispy texture outside. Just coat it nice and properly from all the sides and then set it aside. All of the cutlets have been coated with semolina or rava on both the sides, and now I'm going to shallow fry them. It's time to fry these shrimp cutlets. The oil is hot and I'm going to place the cutlet into the oil. I'll allow it to cook for about 1.5–2 minutes on each side, and then it'll be done. Now I'm going to turn this. You can see it's got a nice brown color and crust on it. These cutlets are done, and I'm going to remove it and drain it on some paper towels, and then finish up the other ones. The shrimp cutlets are done. It smells amazing in here. You can eat it as a side with lunch or dinner, or you can use it as an appetizer. Either way, whatever way you want to eat it, I'm sure you're going to love this and make this again and again. Don't forget to check out the full recipe and ingredient list. I'm going to put a link of that in my description, so make sure you check that out. And also show me some love. Subscribe and comment, and also like this video, and I love to hear from you guys. So until my next video, goodbye.